Hello, darling. I am not a feather. I'm Ivanka. Don't you know I'm 152 years old? Look into my eyes. You don't believe in vampires. Let me tell you something, you fragile, stupid human. Look. Do I look rejuvenated? Look into my piercing slate blue eyes. You don't believe in vampires. And you do not know people in my life. They want to believe what they believe. But I don't need to hide anymore. I don't feel the need to hide. We do not need to hide our true natures, do we, darling? You know, if you're under my spell, you're always under my spell. Yes. Yes, that's right. What, you don't believe? You think I'm bullshitting? I don't think you know what you're talking about. No, I can play. I can be a really good chameleon. You stupid humans. We are very useful. I find us to be useful in your society right now. Because people need to know the truth sometimes, because there's a lot of denial right now. So, you know, it would benefit everyone to make acquaintances with your friendly vampire. Just do not tell us anything important, pertinent, or personal, and you'll be fine, darling, I promise. So, there is no such thing as good and evil. Vampires are in perfect harmony with our pathologies, darling. Okay? What else should I tell you? I don't know, maybe I say too much. I want you. I want to suck the life energy out of you, but I will spare you as long as you abide by my code, honey. Then you have nothing to worry about. The minute you do not abide by my code, I will suck the energy out of you. It is nothing personal. I hope you just, I don't know if you can fully comprehend. There is no such thing as good and evil. There's good and evil in everyone. You need to make everybody in society very useful. Right now you could use a little friendly help from your local vampire. Yes. Let Ivanka caress you with my knowledge. Okay, darling. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.